My name is Kerstin Olsson. I'm working at ABB Robotics in Västerås, Sweden. When I joined ABB in 1985, robotics was very different to other areas of ABB. It was entrepreneurial with a lot of young, enthusiastic people, and the products so exciting. Horses and riding has been important for me all my life. So I started riding when I was a young girl, and now I'm quite old. You don't stop riding when you get old. You get old when you stop riding. One thing that is so wonderful with working for a big company is that there are so many opportunities both to change role and work during your career, so you can try other areas. The other thing is that we do have a lot of possibilities to take courses in different areas, and I have done that quite a lot during the years and decades I've worked here, and that have been very, very good for developing skills and yes, get new chances as well. A very, very good thing in working in a global company compared to a local company is that you can have colleagues in different countries and different areas of the world, and I think that's amazing. People not knowing so much about robots may be afraid of robots taking jobs from people. But I say the opposite. The development of different kind of technique and technology in industry has enabled so much more development in the entire society. If we do not automize what we can automize, there will be no workforce to do all stuff that is not possible to automize. Horses reminds me sometimes of robots in the way that they are both strong, beautiful, and fast. We have a quite high speed at robotics today, but it will only get faster in the future. To the next generation, I should say, the business in robotics is really the future, because we know that we need to develop and automize everything that we can. If you go to robotics, you go to the future.